You know, you see a lot of videos on YouTube about people making milling machines of a sort out of a drill press. And with that in mind, I thought I would build a surface grinder out of what's considered a lawnmower blade sharpener and a milling table. And there's been a few minor adjustments. This was a cheaper one. The grinding wheel that came with it was garbage. That's probably why it was cheaper. If you go with the Oregon grinder, you might get a better wheel. So far, I've got about $375 into it. If I don't count the diamond wheel that I got, that's about $100. But that does a really, really nice job. So basically, and I had the magnet. So I suppose if you were starting from scratch, you'd be looking at about 250, 400, 425, 435. You'd be looking at about $500. I've seen a lot of them made out of sanders. I don't think they're quite as accurate. This machine also, it takes a long time to set it up to get it to where you want it. But once it's set up, it does a very, very nice job. So let's take a look at this. I did dress the wheel too. Takes a long time for this to wind down. But as you can see, if I catch the light, it does whoa, that's warm. Whoa! It does a pretty decent job. So I guess the extra long setup time and a little bit of manual work to get it going right was well worth it, because I don't think I could find a decent benchtop grinder for $500 anywhere. So something to think about. If you're really, really desperate for a grinder and you absolutely positively have to have one, this is an option. Granted, it's not the best grinder in the world, but like I say, it does a pretty decent job. So there you have it. Hope that gave you some ideas. You all have yourself a good day. Bye.